All right, guys, we are back again this week with another quick video lesson. This week we are talking about adding two-digit numbers with no regrouping, and I'll explain what all that means. First off, let's start with a two-digit number. What do I mean when I say a two-digit number? Well, that is simply a number that has two digits. We have something in the ones and the tens place. So anything bigger than 10, that's two digits, all the way up to 99. So we could be working with numbers anywhere in that range, 10 to 99. We can do this with other numbers too, though. Let's look at a real simple example. We do this problem all the time. All right, 10 plus 3. Not a hard problem at all. You guys could probably say right now, oh yeah, that's 13. This is actually the same steps. We're making it a little bit harder in first grade in our class by doing bigger numbers than this, but we know that number is 13. So if you can do this, then you are already on your way. Let's take a little bit harder problem though. Let's look at 31, that's two digits, plus 42. Now, I don't know about you. I don't have 31 fingers and toes, and I don't have 42 fingers and toes, so that's not going to work. So we need a new strategy. Our strategy here is to add our ones place and then to add our tens place. So remember, I'm going to write it in red. This is the ones column, and over here is the tens column. Now, the big trick here, this is important. You've got to add the ones first. You don't have to, but it will make it easier later. For these problems this week, it won't get you an incorrect answer, but later, like next week, it will be trickier if you don't do this. So we want to add the ones column first. That's this box of numbers. That's the ones place. So what is 1 plus 2? Well, 1 plus 2 is 3. That's an easy problem. And now I can add my tens column. What is 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4 is 7. So what is my answer? My answer is those two numbers put together, 73. I had 3 sticks of 10. I had 4 sticks of 10, so I have 7 sticks of 10. I have 1 floater plus 2 floaters, so I have 3 floaters, 73. Let's look at another one. Let's do 25 plus 61. Okay, it's really important that we keep our numbers lined up. And I'll show you the next one, what happens if you mess that problem up, if you don't keep them really nice and neat. Now, we want to start on this side first. The red side, what color I'm using is red, our ones column. Our ones column. We want to do that one first. Just trust me, it's going to make it easier later. So, what is 5 plus 1? 5 plus 1 equals 6. And then what is 2 plus 6? Or it might be easier to think 6 plus 2, right? 6 plus 2 is 8. So my answer is 86. Really, all this is adding straight down. It's really two different math problems just put side by side. Honestly, it's not very difficult. They look tough, but they're not. Now, what happens if we're sloppy? Some of us have sloppy handwriting. What if I wanted to add 72? Ew, that's an ugly 2. Let's try better 2 there. Not much. And I want to add, let's say, 15. But what if I'm real sloppy and I do it like this? Man, this could be really tricky. Maybe I want to draw those boxes and I'm not doing a great job checking my work. My 7, look, I'm just being super sloppy. I'm not doing a good job. I'm going to get a really weird answer. Look, I've got 17 here and a 7 here. The answer to this is not 717. I've messed up somewhere. I need to rewrite it. Let's try that again. 72. Now let's make sure my tens column and my ones column are nice and neat. I should be able to draw nice, neat boxes. It's really important. If you're sloppy, you're going to get weird answers. The correct answer here, 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. My correct answer is right there, 87, not 717. Made a big mistake, didn't I? So that's just a quick crash course into how to add two-digit numbers. We can actually get some really fun answers too. Let's do a real big problem. 30 and, well, let's do this. This is why it's really important to keep everything straight, because I have 30 plus 9 plus 10. This is a tougher problem, right? There's my ones digit. Here's my tens digit. Now, we'll crash into that a little bit. So let's do the red box first. We have 0 plus 9 plus 0. Well, 0 is nothing. So 0 plus 9 is 9, right? And then plus another 0. Well, we didn't change the number. So the answer there is 9. I didn't actually do anything. Now, the next part is a little bit trickier. We have a 3, and then we don't have anything. And my class knows that if you don't have a number there, you can actually, if you need to, make a 0. We do it with a dotted 0 like that. It's not there, but it kind of helps you sometimes see that there's nothing there. So we have 3 plus nothing plus 1. Let's just do the numbers there. 3 plus 1 is 4, right? Just like we did last week. And then we take that number. Did we add anything to it? No, not really. 4 plus 0 is just 4. My answer is 49. So you can go home and you can have your parents write some out. We are not regrouping yet. So that means we're just adding straight down. There's nothing challenging, really. Your parents would probably call it carrying. We are not carrying. All right. I hope you guys have a great week. Finish all your work for us. Thank you.